Hey everyone! Today we're touring a room at Panama Jack Cancun Resort. Located 25 minutes east of the Cancun International Airport, this family-friendly resort has 458 suites set on a beautiful stretch of beach in Cancun's famous hotel zone. It includes an incredible themed water park, mini golf, and one of the few Catholic chapels in Cancun. Let's take a look at where we stayed, room 2707. A master one-bedroom suite with ocean view. You'll enter your suite through the hallway and into your living room area. Enjoy this beautiful large space with its tropical style, plush seating area, and room service at your fingertips. Next to this is your thermostat and ceiling fan controls for your ideal airflow. Your double hot tub sits in the corner and allows you to stretch out with fitted seats, jets, and plush towels close by. And while you're at it, you can enjoy the beautiful view. Across the room is your flat screen TV, coffee, and espresso machine, along with an outlet and USB connections. There's a shelf and storage beside your mini fridge. Your mini fridge comes complete with water, juice, alcohol, including vodka, rum, whiskey and tequila, soda, beer, and wine. And don't forget your chips, granola bar, and nuts. Beside this is your closet with shelving on the left, and hangers and a laundry bag on your right. Now onto your bathroom. It offers ample counter space along with a lighted vanity mirror and convenient amenities. It's the perfect bathroom for sharing as everything's at arm's reach, including your ice bucket and your outlet. Behind here is your toilet area and your convenient wall phone. And finally, the spacious shower area. It has a handy towel rack and seating area, complimentary shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and soap. Plus, you'll enjoy your beautiful rain shower head with lovely fixtures and a retractable clothesline. Next up is the bedroom area. You're welcomed in by your comfy king-size bed and plush bedside bench. You have a ceiling fan for the ultimate comfort, and below here, you'll find a treasure waiting for you. In front of the bed is an HD Smart TV and a handy full-length mirror. Beside the bed is your thermostat and fan control, along with outlet, USB connections, phone, and storage. There's also adjustable bedside lighting for all your late night or early morning needs. On the other side of the bed are more outlets and USB connections, plus your alarm clock. And across the room is your closet. On the left side, you'll have your iron and ironing board, and on the right, you'll have your scale, hair dryer, and your safe. This safe fit our 13-inch laptop with room to spare. Enjoy direct access to it all with your ensuite bathroom. And finally, one of the best parts, soak up your beautiful blue Caribbean view from your balcony. We hope you enjoyed our room tour here at Panama Jack Cancun Resort. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and tell us what you think in the comments below. You can subscribe to our channel for more room tours and vacation inspiration. Thanks for watching, guys!